Assalamu alaikum dear learners, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, in the previous class we discussed on indefinite article. Today I will discuss on definite article D. Before going to my discussion, I would like to discuss on a very important point. Dear learners, very often we are confused whether the pronunciation is D or the. Today I would like to give a permanent solution of this problem. So look at this sentence. Here in this sentence I use the two times. First the is before a vowel, next one is before a consonant. Dear learners, if the is used before a vowel, the pronunciation will be D. If the is used before a consonant, the pronunciation will be the. Okay, my dear learners, I hope that you have gotten a permanent solution for this problem. Now, I will discuss on the uses of definite article the. Dear learners, we use the before singular common noun to indicate it definitely. Look at the example. The boy is playing. We also can use the before the plural common noun also. The boys are playing. Okay, dear learners, these types of use of the article is called defining the. Here, these types of the is called defining the. Defining the. Okay, dear learners. We can use the before a singular common noun that represents a whole class. The cow is a useful animal. Here cow refers to the whole cows of the world. সমস্ত গরু জাতিকে এখানে কাউ দ্বারা বোঝানো হয়েছে. That is why we use the before it. We can also write another example. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Okay, dear learners, these types of the is called generalizing the. Now we will come to know another use of definite article. The is used before a thing that exists only one in nature. The sun is only one in nature, so before sun we use the. Moon is also only one. The moon We can also use the before different directions, the east, the west, the north, the south. Okay, these types of use of the is called familiar the. Familiar the. Okay, dear learners, now I'd like to use some more other uses of the. We use the before the holy books, the Quran. Quran is a holy book, so before it we use the Bible. Okay, so before the holy books we use the. We can also use the before the ship, the Titanic. We can also use the before train, the Mahanagar Express. Okay, dear learners, that can be used before the newspaper. All the newspapers of the world, we can use the Daily Star, Daily Star, the Pratham Alo. Okay, before all the newspapers we can use the. The is used before the river, name of the river, the Magna. Like we can say the Padma, the Gumuti, the Tista, the Buriganga, etc. etc. The is used before the Gulf, the Bay of Bengal. The is also used before the sea, the Arabian Sea, the Arabian Sea. The is used before the ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Look at these two examples. Here first word is vowel, so the pronunciation will be the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Okay, my dear learners, the uses of definite articles are many, so I'd like to discuss the rest of the others uses in the next class. Wishing you good luck. I'd like to draw the conclusion of my today's class. See you again. Bye.